Wyt ti moyn siarad Cymraeg gyda fi?
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Dwi'n trio dysgu Cymraeg, a hoffwn i ymarfer siarad Cymraeg gyda ti.
Digon teg, da iawn ti. O, dwi'n i ddim yn gwybod bod ti'n siarad Cymraeg.
Ie, gallai. Wyt ti'n moyn siarad Cymraeg gyda fi?
Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Ruth Jones, isn't it?
Yeah. 89, 89, 89, 90, 90, 90.
Beth sy'n occuro heddiw? Croeso i foengloddiau.
O, joyous i hwnna yn fawr iawn.
Pa mor hir wyt ti wedi bod yn dysgu?
Dwi'n newydd ddechrau. Dwi wedi bod yn dysgu am beth i wythnos.
Mae'n ddrwg da fi. Pryd nes ti ddechrau? Dwedais ti nes ti ddechrau wythnos yn ôl.
O, mae'n ddrwg da fi. O'n i'n moyn dweud beth i mis nôl. Mae dal eisiau fi wella.
Before we do anything else now, listen to this.
Dwi'n trio dysgu Cymraeg. Hoffen i ymarfer siarad Cymraeg gyda ti.
Does that
Dwi'n mynd i
sound
trio dweud rhywbeth yn Gymraeg.
painfully slow to you?
Yeah.
So if that sounds painfully slow, that means that your brain has just begun the process of a neurological adaptation in the last 5 minutes.
Wow.
Because otherwise
But it slowed down in the middle as well, didn't it?
No, it
The
didn't.
fast bit.
No, it didn't.
Didn't it?
It didn't. No, it was the same speed the whole way through.
I thought like about the third time round, a certain part of it was slower and then I thought it speeded up.
Yeah, and what that is your brain changing. That is your brain actually
Wow.
changing in real time. Because it's actually the same clip recycled about 4 times.
Well.
When you're listening to a language, you process incredibly quickly. So when you hear a sentence in English,
Yeah.
you identify the first word in the sentence in a matter of microseconds. By the time you are into the middle of the sentence, you identify that word a matter of microseconds before it's spoken.
Oh, I see.
Yeah? So we're kind of just predicting all of it and then just confirming what we've heard.
Right.
When you start to get, oh, I know this block, then that bit sounds at normal speed, even while the rest of it sounds a little bit faster.
Oh, I see. So
But
it's a
after
bit
the other
like
one-
if you want to feel better, wear tight shoes.
It is exactly that. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So the fact that you felt some of those were slower is proof positive that you were experiencing neurological change
Wow,
in
that's
that 5 minutes.
amazing. That's absolutely amazing.